Hello, it's Wednesday, the 26th of January 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from MaxiForex. The dollar traded mixed against other major currencies on expectations of President Barack Obama will propose a 5-year freeze on non-security discretionary spending. CBI consumer confidence came out at 60.60, better than expected 53.50. Stock markets in the US closed mixed as the Dow fell by 0.03% and the Nasdaq rose by 0.06%. Crude slumped by 1.9%, closing at $86.18 a barrel. Gold fell by 0.8% to close at $1,333.50 an ounce. Today, new home sales are expected at 300,000 versus 290,000 prior, with the interest rate expected unchanged at 0.25%. The euro rose against the dollar for the 6th day and remained trading above 136, reaching 137.04 before rebounding back to 136.60 after President Obama's announcement. According to the daily chart, trading above 160 will keep the momentum bullish for the pair. The euro-dollar faces resistance at 137.80 and support at 135 in case of a rebound. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 135.72 and a high of 137.04. No major economic data is expected today. The pound slid the most in a month versus the greenback after a report showed the UK's gross domestic product unexpectedly shrank in the fourth quarter. GDP came out minus 0.50, worse than expected 0.50. Sterling dropped by 250 pips yesterday to 157.50, breaking support at 160 as expected. Main support is at 157.85 and 157. Should the pair break below 157, it could continue to 155. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 157.50 and a high of 160.17. MPC meeting minutes are expected today. The yen rose against the dollar and closed around 82.30. On the daily chart, main support is still at 82. Overall, the dollar yen traded with a low of 81.98 and a high of 82.66. Today, the Bank of Japan's monthly report is expected. Finally, Canada. Canada's dollar declined against its US counterpart for a second day, falling below parity as commodities fell and the country's inflation rate accelerated less than forecast in December. Core CPI came out at minus 0.30%, worse than expected, minus 0.10%. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9911 and a high of 1.0004. No major economic data is expected today. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at MaxiForex.ru.